somebody need to go close the door.
No!
You need to be,
Just shoot it. You gotta close the door.
No!
Go close the door.
I don't do it. I get
Wow! Bam! Wow. That's so... Oh my gosh!
I'm going to stand by the fire so don't nobody shoot that.
Going to the fire. There goes Dan.
Tell them what we did, Jacob.
Alright, just for video reference, we just blew up a 5-gallon gasoline bottle and some refrigerator.
With what?
With an AK-47. And look at it, it's just blowing smoke. They gotta think we're burning cars.
It's doing that because it's burning the product in it?
Oh, man.
Look at that black smoke.
Hey, I can see y'all.
How's it going? Woo! Woo!
All right.
Watch the smoke, Mama. Woo!
Straight up. Watch the black smoke. It's dangerous for the lungs.
Shoot it away.
We don't need that as a necessary
Look at the water, Daddy. Never mind.
You can't see with the...
Alright, go right there by this message.
Now we see it.
The flame's gonna reflect on